Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts? Tired of manually inputting every expense? Well, fear not, fellow expense warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automated expense management with Expensify. And the first step to a streamlined expense process? Connecting your bank account. Expensify is a powerful tool that can revolutionize how you manage your expenses. By connecting your bank account, you can automatically import transactions, categorize them, and even generate expense reports with just a few clicks. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Expensify account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the settings page. Once logged in, look for the gear icon or settings button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Find the Bank Connections tab. Within the settings page, you should see a tab or option labeled Bank Connections, Connected Accounts, or something similar. Click on this to proceed. Select your bank. Expensify supports a wide range of banks. Use the search bar or the drop-down menu to find your bank. Select your bank from the list. Authorize the connection. Expensify will redirect you to your bank's website or app. Follow the prompts to log into your bank account. You may need to authorize Expensify to access your transaction history. Review and confirm. Once you've authorized the connection, Expensify will review the permissions and provide a summary. Carefully review the information and confirm the connection. Additional tips. Categorize your transactions. To optimize your expense reports, consider categorizing your transactions. You can do this manually or set up rules to automatically categorize them based on merchant names or keywords. Set up Smart Scan. Expensify's Smart Scan feature allows you to quickly capture receipts and extract relevant information. Take a photo of your receipt, and Expensify will automatically extract the date, merchant name, amount, and other details. Utilize Expensify's mobile app. The Expensify mobile app makes it easy to capture receipts on the go, submit expense reports, and monitor your spending. By connecting your bank account to Expensify, you can streamline your expense management process and save valuable time. With automated imports, smart categorization, and powerful features like Smart Scan, you can effortlessly handle your expenses and focus on what truly matters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.